Hi, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be discussing the yoga pose 3 parts forward bend, which in Sanskrit is Triang Makhaikapada Paschimottanasana. Okay, so we'll call it 3 parts forward bend for us. Now, I have a block with me because when I sit in Virasana, my sits bones don't lower all the way to the mat. I sit on a block. So if this is your case, make sure, grab a block, have it nearby. Let's begin sitting lengthwise in Dandasana. Take a moment here, scoot the tissue out of the way so that your sits bones can connect, and find that length in the front of your hips. Now, in a moment, we're going to get up, we're going to bring that right leg back. But for right now, find this length, reach through your side body, let your arms come up. Practice a good Dandasana, broaden the collarbones. We're going to use this in our forward bend. So we'll have one leg bent back and we'll forward fold. It's really important for forward folds that we work on hollowing out the abdomen, letting the belly button come to the spine, and then hinging forward from the pelvis to help us get the length. Okay, so now that we're ready, let's go ahead. Let's bend the right leg. And as you can see, maybe, my hips are way uneven. So in order for me to better get into this position, I'm going to kind of come up kneeling with my block here. I'm going to take my right ankle wide. I'm going to place a block, and then I will sort of walk myself back so that I have a place to sit. Now, I'm still getting the benefit of this Virasana set up for my right leg, while also making sure I don't fall over and hurt anything. Okay, so get your block set wherever it needs to be. If you need a block, take a moment here, lengthen nice and tall, ribs over hips, tuck the chin slightly so that head is up, belly button to the spine. Inhale the arms up, and take a moment here to grow. Inhale and then exhale, forward fold, let your hands come down wherever they need to be. And come on up, and we'll switch sides. So I'm going to lift my hips, I'm going to remove that block, sit over to the side, and I'll switch my legs. So now my right leg goes out in front, and I'm going to take a moment to scoot any sort of tissue so that I can really feel this leg press down. And then I'm going to rock and get my left leg set. And even though this side does better, I do still need to have a block. So I'm going to lift up and get my block set. I'm going to take a moment here too to get this left leg adjusted. Make sure, scoot the tissue of the calf muscle out of the way so that you can have a really good bend at the knee. And we're nice and lifted here, belly button to the spine. Let's inhale the arms up. Press into the back of the right heel, anchor through your sits bones, engage your core muscles, and grow. Inhale nice and tall, exhale, forward fold. And come on up. Good, lift up to remove that block, and then have a seat. I hope that you have enjoyed learning about this yoga pose. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can find me on Facebook, Pinterest, and at my website, www.customppilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.